Hey, kinfolk. Today we're making Halloween popcorn balls. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you will need the popcorn of your choice, freshly popped or store-bought, mini marshmallows, M&M's Halloween blend, Halloween sprinkles, butter, and vanilla. Begin by melting a stick of butter in a saucepan. Once the butter is fully melted, stir in 16 ounces of mini marshmallows and keep stirring until they're fully melted. It's optional, but you can also add in a teaspoon of vanilla and mix it in. Next, add an 8-ounce bag of popcorn to a large bowl. Then pour the melted marshmallows over the popcorn and mix until evenly coated. Once the popcorn is coated, fold in M&Ms and sprinkles. Grease your hands with a little bit of oil and form your popcorn balls. And there you have it, Halloween popcorn balls. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.